Today we're going to be using this 303 tonneau cover and convertible top cleaner to get some stains out of the convertible top on our BMW 650i. It's a light colored top, so some of these darker stains kind of show. I don't know if it's visible on the camera or not in the video footage, but you can see where the folds are. There's a little bit of dark staining. Didn't come out with the last wash. Tried to put a little bit of scrubbing action on there with just a sponge, a car wash sponge, and it didn't really come out. So we're going to give this a shot, see if it helps those lighten up a little bit and get some of the dirt out of those creases, and see how it works. First thing you want to do is put your sprayer on shower or a similar setting. Get everything wetted down. And once you do that, now get your sprayer set to jet or something that has a little bit more velocity to the water, and rinse everything off so that you can get all the loose dirt off of the top. Now, while the top is still wet, we're going to get our 303 tonneau cover and convertible top cleaner, and we're going to spray down this section that has the staining between the creases. And I'm going to spray down the other side as well. Now, once you've let it sit for a while, go ahead and rinse everything off, and you should be good to go to wash the car if you need to, or just dry everything up. I don't know if you can tell the difference on the video. The crease marks are still there, but most of the dirt is out of the creases, and once it dries up, it should look a lot better. Hopefully this video was informative and useful. If you have any questions, leave them below, and see you next time.